Shmai, hello, I'm Katie from Food Sense Wales, and we're on a mission to co-create a food system for Wales that's good for people and the planet. We influence how food is produced and consumed in Wales by delivering a range of food-related activities, including one of the UK's fastest growing social movements, Sustainable Food Places. Sustainable Food Places is a good food movement, and at a UK level is coordinated by Sustain, Food Matters and the Soil Association. It brings together a groundswell of community food champions, suppliers, producers and everyone in between to push for a positive change in our food system. Our ambition is to create a food partnership in every local authority area in Wales, creating a network of food systems fit for future generations. Because we believe investment in resilient local food systems builds and retains wealth in Wales, environmentally, socially and economically. We already support 7 amazing food partnerships across Wales, doing amazing things like this. And we would like to support more, to build a network of partnerships that at their very heart drives and inspires positive change for all of us and for the ecosystem that sustains us. They matter because a connected food system, one that considers our health and well-being, our economy and the environment together, promotes collaboration and inclusivity and builds resilience in communities across Wales. So if you'd like to know more, have something to share, or are interested in developing a food partnership in your area, we'd love to hear from you.